Welcome guys, I'm Alessandro from Assembly Coffee, and today I will show you how to pour an hummingbird. I chose this pattern because I want to talk about dry foam technique. This technique is a technique that allows you to draw with the foam left in your jug at the end of the pouring. This technique also helps you to create more complex detail and more complex part of a pattern that you couldn't be able to draw just with the normal way of pouring milk. This pattern is formed by 5 rosetta, which create the 2 wings of the hummingbird, the tail, and 2 leaves of the branch where the hummingbird is going. I'm using the dry foam technique to create details such as part of the wing of the hummingbird, the beak of the hummingbird, some berry in the tree, and also part of the tail. So, base first, as usual. Then I'll start pouring my rosettas. First one for one wing, the other wing, then the leaf of some tree where the hummingbird is going, then the tail, and then I will start with my lines and dry foam technique to create the details that I was talking about. And we have the hummingbird.